So I've been testing Copper CRM for the past few weeks, and let me tell you, it's definitely not your typical CRM. If you're tired of overbuilt tools like Salesforce or HubSpot, this might be the clean, Google Workspace-friendly solution you've been looking for. But it's not perfect, and there are some key things you need to know before committing your team. Let me give you the full, honest breakdown. In this video, we're diving into Copper CRM, what makes it unique, where it shines, where it struggles, and whether it's a good fit for your sales workflow in 2025. I'll cover pricing, features, integrations, and real pros and cons based on actual use. First off, Copper is built specifically for Google Workspace users. It lives inside Gmail, integrates with Google Calendar, Docs, Drive, everything. No more jumping between 5 tools just to update your pipeline. It auto-logs emails and calendar invites, which saves hours in manual updates. If your team already uses Gmail, this feels natural, not like a separate platform. Here's what you get. Visual sales pipelines, drag and drop deal stages, automatic contact enrichment, pulls info from emails and websites, task plus activity tracking, workflow automation for follow-ups, emails, and lead routing, mobile app that's clean and responsive. The interface is clean, modern, and super intuitive, perfect for teams who hate clunky CRM dashboards. Copper has 3 tiers. Basic, $29 user per month. Limited features, no workflow automation. Professional, $69 user per month. Most popular, includes integrations and automation. Business, $134 user per month. Includes advanced reporting and lead scoring. For most small teams or solopreneurs, Professional is the sweet spot. But heads up, it's not the cheapest CRM out there. You're paying for ease of use and Google native design. Copper is a great fit if you are a small business or startup team using Google Workspace, a solopreneur or agency owner who wants easy pipeline management inside Gmail, a founder who hates traditional CRMs but still wants something that looks clean and works, a team with limited tech training. Copper requires almost zero onboarding, not ideal for enterprise teams with deep customization or analytics needs, those running multi-channel marketing or outbound dialing campaigns, non-Google users. Copper CRM does what most CRMs promise but fail to deliver. Simple, lightweight, integrated directly into Gmail. It's not for everyone, but if you want a no-friction sales CRM that your team will actually use, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Let me know in the comments, are you using Copper or are you still stuck in the CRM chaos? And if you want a side-by-side review of Copper versus pipedrive or HubSpot, drop that below. I'll see you in the next one.